हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आज अपन करने जा रहे हैं ट्रायंगल्स के एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पल 7.3 कंटिन्यू करेंगे। बीच में थोड़ा गैप आ गया था, एग्जाम्स थे, लेकिन अब वापस से शुरू करते हैं। तो 7.3 ट्रायंगल्स क्लास 9th। देखो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या थी, थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करा देता हूँ, थोड़ा टाइम हो गया होगा। कॉन्ग्रुएंसी पढ़ी थी अपन ने ट्रायंगल्स में बेसिकली, और कुछ नहीं किया था। तो सारे क्वेश्चन कॉन्ग्रुएंसी पे बेस्ड ही हैं और सिमिलर वो थी कंपैरिजन वाली वो क्वेश्चंस थे थोड़े से कि ग्रेटर देन लेस देन वाला, साइड्स वाला, एंगल वाला, कि कौन सी साइड लेयर्स है, उस पे बेस्ड थोड़े से क्वेश्चन है। वो इस साल वाले बैच के सिलेबस में नहीं, लेकिन जिसको पढ़ना है वो पढ़ सकता है, और बाकी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स वगैरह में तो है। ठीक है, तो चलिए ओके, लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्या कह रहा है? पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू पी आर, ओके फाइन। एंगल क्यू इज इक्वल टू एंगल आर, फाइन। We need to prove triangle PQST is congruent to triangle PRT. A very easy question. Let's write in triangle PQS and triangle PRT. ठीक है, एंगल Q is equals to एंगल R. ठीक है, गिवन नहीं है तो अपन को PQ is equals to PR. This is also given, both are given to us. क्या है, दोनों अपन को गिवन है। Now angle P is equals to angle P. This angle is common, obviously. So by ASA, triangle PQS is congruent to triangle PRT. A very easy one. First question, very easy. Let's move on to next one. Two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. Okay, fine. We can see this. AB and AC are intersecting at point O. Now we are given that BC is parallel to AD and BC is equal to DA. Okay, fine. Show that O is the midpoint. Okay, so we know BC is parallel to AD, so I can say this angle will be equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. This angle will be equal to this one. ठीक है, दोनों एंगल इक्वल रहेंगे, तो बाय ए एस ए अगेन यहाँ पे अपन कॉन्ग्रुएंसी लगाएंगे, तो अपना आंसर बड़ी ही आसानी के साथ आ जाएगा। सो देखो क्या करना है, इन ट्राइंगल सी ओ बी एंड ट्राइंगल डी ओ ए। अब देखो सी ओ बी, सी और फिर इधर डी ओ ए इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे सी और डी ऑल्टरनेट है, तो नेमिंग का ध्यान रखना है। किसका ध्यान रखना है? नेमिंग का ध्यान रखना है। नाउ angle BCO is equals to angle ODA. BC is equal to AD. Angle OA OBC is equal to angle OAD. So by ASA, triangle COB is congruent to triangle DOA. अब देखो दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, so I can say OC is equal to OD and OA equals to OB by CP CT. So from here I can clearly say that O is midpoint of AB and CD. O is midpoint of AB and CD. Let's move to next one. Okay, this one is based on inequality. Let's do this. Here we are given that PQ is greater than PR. Here we are given with PQ is greater than PR. So if PQ is greater than PR, then obviously angle R is greater than angle Q, because side opposite to larger angle is larger. ठीक है, now QS and RS are bisector. So okay, QS and RS are bisector, so half of these angle will be also having same condition, which means angle SQR will be this angle will be less than angle SRQ. So here if this one is smaller, then SR will be smaller than SQ, and which we need to prove that SQ is greater than SR. Hence proof. Next, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. Let's see this. We have got a triangle ABC. Here we have AB equal to AC, which means angle B would be equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. Let me mention this. BD and CE are two medians. Okay, let's draw first one. This is our BE and this is our CD. Okay, BE and CD. Okay, BD and CE are two medians. Show that BD is equal to C. It is very simple because angle B equal to angle C, we all know. Now we know BE is equal to AE and AD is equal to CD. Why? Because they are median points, mid points. ठीक है, मीडियन है BC और BD, मीडियन है BC and okay BD and CE are medians. ठीक है, BD and CE are median. Now half of them, which means okay, they are about half of AB and half of AC. They are half of AB and half of AC. So BE is equal to CD. I can say it. Now in triangle BCD and triangle BCD and triangle CBE, I can say angle B equals to angle C. Which triangles I am taking? This triangle and this one. Okay, angle B is equal to angle C. I can mention it. BC is equal to BC, which is common, and BE is equal to CD, which I have proved above. So by SAS, triangle BCD is congruent to triangle CBE. So by CPCT, congruent parts of congruent triangle, I can say BD is equal to CE. Hence proved. Next, that was an easier one, and now let's move on to next one, which says D and E are points on side BC, okay, such that BD is equal to CE, AD equal to AE. Show that triangle ABD and triangle ACE are congruent. How can we do that? Okay, we have got BD equal to EC and AD equal to AE. This is fine. Now if we get that angle ADB and angle AEC are equal, then our problem is solved, and which is given to us. They are equal only. How? Angle ADE is equal to angle AED. Why? AD is equal to AE. So side opposite to equal angles are equal. ठीक है, which is absolutely fine. Now subtracting both of them by 180 degree. ठीक है, 180 degree minus ADE will be equal to 180 degree minus angle AED. ठीक है, कब ऐसे लिख सकता हूं ना, दोनों को मैंने 180 डिग्रीज में माइनस कर दिया, दोनों इक्वल है. 180 में से माइनस करूंगा तो दोनों जो चीज आएगी वो इक्वल आएगी. अब अगर मैं इनको 180 माइनस ये लिखता हूं तो क्या मैं इस चीज को लिख सकता हूं, ये होगा हमारा एंगल ADB एंड दिस वुड बी एंगल AEC. होगा नहीं होगा? होगा ना. किस ये अब क्योंकि ये दोनों लीनियर पेयर में है ना, एंगल ADE and angle ADB are in linear pair. Angle AED and angle AEC are in linear pair. Their sum is 180 degree. They are making a straight line. So this would be equal. I have proved them equal. Now let's go in similarity and simple prove that their triangles are congruent. In triangle ABD and triangle ACE, we have got AD equal to AE, which is given to us. Angle ADB is equal to angle AEC, and BD is equal to EC, which is again given to us, and this we have proved. So by SAS, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACE. Let's move on to next one. Now here we are given that CED is an equilateral triangle formed on side CD. Okay, CD is a side of square, okay, which is absolutely perfect, fine, which means this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Now we need to prove ADE and BCE triangle congruent. We know ED is equal to EC and AD equal to AB, but we can't say AE equal to BE. So here we have got angle ADE, which is equal to 150 degree, and again angle BCE, which is again equal to 150 degree, which I have shown to you. 90 plus 60, which means 150. 90 plus 60, 150. This you have to write in your answer. I am not writing it, I am just putting the similarity. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा काम आप लोग भी करो. In triangle ADE and in triangle BCE, AD is equal to BC because they are sides of square. ठीक है, and angle ADE is equal to angle BCE is equals to 150 degree. Each reason I have given to you. DE equal to CE, side of equilateral triangle, sides of equilateral triangle. ठीक है, so by SAS, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle BCE by SAS. Let's move to next one. BA and AC are given perpendicular here. DE and DF is also given perpendicular. We have given BA, this side is equal to DE. Okay, perfect. BF and BF, this small one, is equal to CE. Okay, BF equals to EC. Let's add FC on both sides. So BF plus FC equals to EC plus FC, which will give me BC equals to EF. ठीक है, in triangle ABC and triangle DABC, and it will go like DEF. Okay, perfect. Yeah, name it, done. Now here I will apply which theorem, which congruency. I am seeing a right angle, opposite side BC and EF are equal hypotenuse, so I think it's pretty simple that we are going to apply RHS congruency theorem. Yeah, okay, RHS, which means right angle, angle A equal to angle D, perfectly fine. HS, H means hypotenuse, yani BC equals to EF, and side, which is BA, is equals to DE. BA equals to DE. Yeah, AB equal to DE. So by RHS, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Next, Q is any point on side SR of triangle PSR such that PQ is equal to PR. Prove that PS is greater than PQ. Okay, let's form a triangle. First of all, PSR. Q is any point here. Let me take this one such that PQ is equal to PR. Okay, let me take here this point Q. PQ is equal to PR. These both are equal, which means angle Q is equal to angle R. It means angle Q is equal to angle R. Prove that PS is greater than PQ. Okay, fine. It is easier one that we know angle Q will be equal, angle Q will be greater than angle S, because Q is an exterior angle. Q is an exterior angle, तो बड़ा होगा एंगल Q क्या होगा, सम ऑफ एंगल S एंड एंगल P. तो ये अपना एंगल S जो होगा वो छोटा होगा एंगल Q से. ठीक है, I need to prove PS is greater than PQ. Okay, so now what can I do from here? Just think of it कि क्या कैसे कैसी प्रोसेस क्या सोचूं मैं इसके आगे. थिंक ऑफ इट, क्योंकि ये इनइक्वालिटी वाला टॉपिक थोड़ा हार्ड होता है और इसी की वजह से ये थोड़ा सा ट्रिकियर हो जाता है करने के लिए. सो थिंक ऑफ इट. Angle S will also be greater than angle R. I can say that Q और R इक्वल है, क्योंकि अगर एंगल S एंगल R से बड़ा है तो मैं इधर बड़ा है तो I can say PR एंगल S के अपोजिट यानी PR is greater than PS and PR is equal PR और एंगल S is smaller, so don't mind my mistake and let me change the symbol here. PS would be greater than PR and PR is equal to PQ, so PS is greater than PQ, hence proved. Next, S is any point on side QR of triangle PQR. Okay, let me draw it again, and this question we have done in previous classes or previous exercise also, I think, because I remember this. S is any point on QR. Okay, let me join PS now. Okay, it's very easy because PQ plus in triangle PQS, PQ plus QS is greater than PS. In triangle PSR, PR plus SR is greater than PS. So if I add equation 1 and let's say this is equation 2, then 1 plus 2, which means PQ plus PR, QS plus SR means QS, okay, sorry, QS plus SR means QR is greater than 2PS, which is very simple, hence proof. Let's move on to next one. D is any point on side of triangle side AC of triangle ABC with AB equals to AC. Then okay, first of all draw triangle ABC. AB is equal AC पे मेरे को पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, D is any point. Let's take this as D. I need to show CD is greater than BD. Let's join BD. Now angle B is equals to angle C, which is obviously and this. Okay, angle C will be greater than angle DBC, which is I think you all can see because BD is and it is not a full B angle. ये आप लोगों को दिख रहा है क्योंकि B और C इक्वल है एंड तो एंगल DBC एंगल B का पार्ट है. नाउ अगर ये है एंगल C बड़ा है तो इधर से मैं कह सकता हूं कि BD is greater than CD obviously, hence proved. So these are very easier ones. Okay, बहुत इजी होते हैं क्वेश्चन और देखने में करने में भी इजी रखते हैं. ठीक है, L is parallel to M and M is midpoint. M is midpoint of AB segment, only AB. M is midpoint of AB. So this is showed that M is also midpoint of line segment CD. Yeah. Okay. This both alternate vertically opposite angle. As L and M are parallel, so these are alternate interior angle. Let's put in triangle AMC and triangle BMB, angle A is equals to angle B, AM is equals to MB, and angle AMC is equals to angle BMD. So by ASA, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. ठीक है. So by CPCT MD is equal to CM, which means M is midpoint of line segment CD. Next, bisectors of angle B and C, angles of angle B and C of an isosceles triangle AB. Okay, let me just draw the diagram. Angle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Okay, fine. Angle bisector of them meet at O. BO is produced till M. I need to prove MOC is equal to angle ABC. Okay, angle B will be equal to angle C, which is absolutely fine, and angle MOC will be equal to half of angle B plus half of angle C. Angle MOC will be sum of half of angle B plus half of angle C, because these are angle bisector, which means this is B by 2, this is C by 2, and MOC is an exterior triangle, exterior angle. तो इससे अपन निकाल सकते हैं. तो MOC की वैल्यू अपन को पता चल गई. अपन को निकालनी किसकी वैल्यू है? ABC की. ये अपन को इक्वल दिया हुआ है, तो हाफ कॉमन, एंगल C को लिख लो एंगल B, तो 2 टाइम्स एंगल B, हाफ बैलेंस, तो एंगल MOC is equal to angle ABC, and it is also equal to angle ACB. Easier? Next, let's move on to next one. Bisectors of again isosceles triangle, but this time external angle adjacent to angle ABC. Triangle ABC की बात कर रहा है, external angle की. तो इधर देखो क्या बात कर रहा है, ABC, और ये अपना एक्सटर्नल एंगल है. तो और ये अपना एज यूजुअल O पॉइंट, और ये रहा अपना एक्सटर्नल एंगल. शो दैट एक्सटर्नल एंगल इज इक्वल टू BOC. दिस इज B by 2 and this is C by 2. Perfectly fine. Angle B is equals to angle C. No issues. Angle BOC will be 180 degree minus half of angle B minus half of angle C by angle sum property. ठीक है. So अब एक्सटर्नल एंगल पे बात आती है, ये x बोल देते हैं. एंगल CBX will be 180 माइनस फुल एंगल B. ठीक है. अब एंगल B और एंगल C तो इक्वल है, तो यहां से लिख सकता हूं 180 डिग्री माइनस एंगल B. सो एंगल BOC is equal to angle CBX. Hence proved. Next, last question of our day. In figure 7.8, AD is bisector. So of angle BAC, this angle and this angle is equal. I need to prove AB is greater than BD. ठीक है, प्रूव करना है AB जो है वो मेरा बड़ा है BD से. ओके, एंगल ADB is greater than half of angle A, which means CAD. एंगल CAD, क्योंकि एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वजह से मैं ये लिख सकता हूं. अब हाफ ऑफ एंगल A लिख ही दिया है मैंने CAD की जगह, तो ये वाला एंगल से भी बड़ा ही होगा वो, यानी BD will be less than AD. Hence proof. क्या किया वापस से तो सुन लो एक बार, किसी को समझ में नहीं आया. इस एंगल से बड़ा होगा एंगल ABD. This angle is equal to this one, so it will be greater than this also, and this is opposite to BD and AB, so side opposite to larger angle is greater. Okay, that's it guys, thank you for joining in. और अगर आप लोगों को कोई डाउट वगैरह है तो आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे पूछ सकते हो, कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हो. कमेंट सेक्शन में बड़ा मैं तो एक्टिव हूँ, मैं डाउट्स वगैरह लेता हूँ. ज़्यादा प्रीफर मैं टेलीग्राम को करूंगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ही कन्वीनियंस के साथ मैं बता सकता हूँ। कमेंट सेक्शन में यार थोड़ा कमेंट्स वगैरह रहता है और टाइम टू टाइम चेक नहीं होता है, तो रह भी सकता है कभी कभी कोई कमेंट, बट इसको ज्वाइन कर लो। यहाँ पे सब कुछ पूछते हैं, सब किसी भी सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड भी पूछ सकते हो आप लोग, कोई भी चीज़ चाहिए, कुछ भी चाहिए, मटीरियल, एनीथिंग विच एवर यू वांट, और वी कैन जस्ट चैट देयर, बातें कर सकते हैं नॉर्मली। तो ज्वाइन कर लो अगर करना है तो, डाउट्स वगैरह हैं, कुछ भी है, कुछ भी बात करनी है तो। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन, लाइक से सब्सक्राइब, हिट दैट बेल आइकन फॉर मोर अपडेट्स। अभी के लिए चलता हूं, टाटा बाय, सी यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे गाइस, बाय गाइस।